We pay tribute to his invaluable contribution.
We are deeply honored to have us today distinguished guests who have graced a special occasion with their presence. Shri Prahlad Kumar Sinha sir, retired member Finance Digital Communication Commission, Department of Telecommunications, who also served as Controller of Communication Accounts, Telangana Circle from 28/9/2015 to 6/3/2016. Welcome, sir. Shri Ashok Kumar sir, IP Tax Batch 1992, Principal Controller of Communication Accounts, Telangana Circle. Welcome, sir. Srimati Anita Madam, IP Tax Batch 1994, Controller of Communication Accounts, Telangana Circle. Welcome, Madam. Shri M. Nageshwar sir, ITS Batch 1990, Special Director General Telecom License Service Area, Hyderabad. Welcome, sir. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to all the dignitaries with a big round of applause. I also welcome Sri Tarachand sir, CCA AP Circle, to please join the grace event. Welcome, sir. To begin the proceedings, we shall offer flowers at this podium as a mark of respect and gratitude.
तुम इधर क्या कर నేనా మిస్
लेके यहीं पढ़ेंगे सर या वहाँ पढ़ेंगे?
I request all the dignitaries to kindly stand to the photograph.
I will first read the National Unity Day pledge, first in Hindi, then in English.
ओके राइट सर
ठीक है ना?
थोड़ा क्लोज
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगा और अपने देशवासियों के बीच यह संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगा। मैं यह शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रहा हूं, जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का ही सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ। Now in English. I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.
Privileged to know you, sir, from close quarter. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I request Sri M. Nagesh Rao Garu to kindly come forward and facilitate this special moment.
बैठ जाइए सर, पोस्ट से पहले
रहने दो सर, रहने दो सर, वो रहने दो सर. Sir, please close, sir. రోజా అది తీసేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. తీసుకో, షాల్ తీసేసి రోజా. एक रहने दो.
आप कंफर्टेबल है तो रख दीजिए सर.
I request all to please greet sir with a big round of applause.
We will call madam also.
I kindly request Mrs. Bhavita Kumar Madam to please come forward and join for a photograph to capture this memorable occasion. Please welcome her.
मैडम आप आइए. मैडम खड़े रहे.
Thank you.
Come, sit down. No, come.
आगे बेटा, आगे आ जाओ.
बैठिए, बैठिए.
बेटा बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ अभी. अरे
Go पीछे.
आ बेटा इधर आ जाओ.
वो फोटो देखा रहे इकडे चाहिए.
आप जाओ, बैठ जाओ. ऐसा थोड़ी होती है, इतनी दूर से आइए तो. ओके,
नहीं सर.
आप लोग लीजिए फोटो लीजिए.
Sir, smile, sir. Ready? Ready.
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఇంకా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అది వచ్చేటట్టు తీసుకోండి.
Flower garland and pagadi. Let us all take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey of Sir, a journey marked for dedication, integrity and remarkable leadership. Join Madam and Sir with a big round of applause.
अरे बैठो, हम बनाएंगे तुम बैठो.
Director IRRS Wireless Monitoring Station Hyderabad to come forward and felicitate our respected principal.
ఏది మేడం? సార్ ప్లీజ్. ఫోన్ సార్ క్లోజ్ సార్.
Thank you.
Winner Gesture Association to come forward.
Thank you.
సార్ పైకి పైకి.
आ जाइए.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
एक मिनट सर, वो मैडम को बुला दो या पीछे बैकग्राउंड में मैडम
मेरा म्यूजिक सॉन्ग था आपने बनाया।
सर बैठिए सर।
भूख लग रहा होगा राइट?
बेटे आ जाओ, तुम इधर आ जाओ।
आइए सर।
बेटा नहीं, इधर आ जाओ। अच्छा, फिर बात में ठीक है, चलिए।
Accounts to share her thoughts and wishes for Sir.
Respected P.K. Sinha Saab, Member Finance, DCC, Principal C.C. Ashok Sir, Nagesh Sir, and all my junior colleagues. The only word I heard about Ashok Sir whenever anybody would discuss is, वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. Anybody you ask, anywhere, because I never met him, but I met him only when he was posted here. But ask anybody, they will always say, वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. And that is true. There is no doubt about it, more than 100%. Sir is very अच्छे इंसान. And the few months that he spent here, I don't think anybody in the office will have any bad word for him. Like, you know, everybody will say अच्छे इंसान है. Whoever it is, from a group D to the topmost, we will all say Ashok Sir is a very good human being. He's really a very good human being. The few months that we spent, it just passed off like this without any problems and all. Because Sir was so good that he gave us the freedom to do whatever we would do. He would just come, overall monitor and let us go. That is the mark of a leader, actually. Allowing your subordinates to take over the responsibility and do it, but at the same time, monitor and advise. That was what Ashok Sir was all about. And I think in our service too, there's not a single soul who will tell any negative thing about Ashok Sir. We'll hear so many things about others, but there's nothing that way. But of course, for this, I must also thank Babita Madam. Her contribution is no less. If a man is so happy and peaceful and, well, that means something is, the Home Minister is good. That is what it means. Otherwise, do you think a man would be so relaxed and happy in an office? It's impossible. So I have to thank Babita Madam sincerely. She's such a lovely and gracious person, very friendly, and a very ideal partner for Sir. And without her, Sir, I don't think you would have achieved so much in life. And Sir, and it's so nice to see that Sir is blessed with 2 daughters, lovely daughters. They are here. And they are such good daughters that they have not even kind of given a lot of trouble for their father. They found their husbands also. So look at it. Only a very few people will have such a nice fate. They have turned out so well. And one is already married and settled in States. One is shortly going to get married. So Sir has, like it's an integrated family. One son-in-law from Karnataka, another.
Kindly come forward and felicitate our esteemed Principal CCA Sir.
अच्छा, अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, वाह।
करना पड़ेगा.
सीनू सीनू
This is sir, you have to carry memories and while in this. Thank you.
सर मैम सर रेडी
You see, we in India we have 16 what we call sanskar, but for a government servant 2 sanskars are added. One is transfer, which is almost regular in nature, and one is retirement, which comes once in every one's lifetime. There, after putting, you see, retirement in English is bad word. I don't see it is a good word. You see, Hindi it is called nipliti. Nipliti means after you complete a job. So that is, and after completing a job, you will start a different job. So that is what is today for Ashok. He is just coming out of one job which he has already finished to the other job, I would say. That's why I never said it retire from that. And about Ashok, what should I say? He just like my younger brother, colleague, friend. You see, in these introductions, I would take it as one of the greatest points. You know, in Bihar and Jharkhand, we have one school that is called Nature's Heart, though we call it Netar Heart. That's the only school purely under government and under Gurukul system. And let me tell you, it is a dream, desire and hidden desire of everyone to get admissions in Netar Heart. And he has come out from that school. That itself is one of the biggest achievements in his life. So that school, I would say, must have given the maximum number of civil servants to India. Maximum number of civil servants. But still, not many secretaries are from school. And about him, whatever he has done, I don't want to say because I have been closely watching. About him, if at all you have to define him in a single word, what you can say? What a man he is. Apart from this, there can be no definitions. And you see his whole personality, you would find that he is, I would say, definitions and description of what you call simplicity, sincerity, and humility. I think this is the qualities which carry a man. I have always been telling people to don't go by the chairs. Chairs are always shifting wali baat hai. That is never permanent. But what you are is permanent. Whatever is within you is permanent. So well done in completing one phase of your
Thoughts, experiences and good wishes for our principal CCS.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, B.K. Sinha sir, Ashok sir, Anita ma'am, and off the dais. My interaction with sir has been very limited. But then sir, I would tell 2 instances. One is, we were one of the unlucky batches to not have you as course director in NI. So I am from the 21 batch. So 22, 23 and 24 batches of NIFL did PTC under you sir. All of them unanimously say that they have got the best course director ever. You were very approachable, sir. Even if any OT comes to you for any problem, you would sit with them, you would solve that problem. And that warmth that you gave, sir, is still, the OTs all remember that. And second, sir, I stayed in NICF campus. I was on the campus. We used to take a walk, an evening walk. And we used to come across you, sir. Many times, sir. Yes. So, one fine day, sir, you might not be remembering. Ma'am was also there. You were asking where I was from. I told I'm from Telangana. And you asked, sir, wouldn't you be not missing your family? And conversation went like for giving such a warm experience whenever we interacted with you. Thank you.
Telecom Bison Service Area Hyderabad to come forward and deliver his greetings.
Respected Shri Ashok Kumar respected Principal Sir, Ashok Kumar Sir, respected Sinha Sir, Member Finance, and dear senior officers and friends. Today is
and I have seen since Sir has joined in June, since last 5 months, he has been touring almost all parts of the region. So all the regions Sir has covered. Sir, I really appreciate your enthusiasm and motivating all the officers. Really it means a lot for any service officers to get a boss like you, sir. Really I am blessed, and Sir has visited to Vijayawada a number of times, and every time is a learning process for me and for the entire team of CCAP, and I can say the entire region of Central Zone. Thank you, sir, for being here. We'll be in touch, sir. I'll be in touch with you, and thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and all officers and officials present here, and today's Chief Guest Shri Ashok Kumar Sir, Principal Secretary Telangana. आज का दिन काफ़ी पावन है, काफ़ी ऑस्पिशियस है। आज नेशनल यूनिटी डे भी है, विजिलेंस अवेयरनेस वीक का भी क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी है, और आज सर हमारे जो बिलव्ड प्रिंसिपल सीसीए सर है उनका भी रिटायरमेंट है, तो ये काफ़ी एक अच्छा मौका है। और तेलंगाना सर्किल में शायद ये पहला मौका है जब प्रिंसिपल सीसीए लेवल के ऑफिसर यहाँ से रिटायर हो रहे हैं, और इससे पहले कमांड एपी सर्किल में भी ये शायद थर्ड ओकेजन ही है। बहुत पहले लक्ष्मी नरसम्मा मैडम 2012 में प्रिंसिपल सीसीए से रिटायर हुए थे, उसके बाद से ये पहला मौका बना है, तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है एक तरह से। और सर के साथ मेरा एक्सपीरियंस की बात यह है कि सर का ट्रांसफर प्रमोशन जो इस ऑफिस के लिए था वो शायद जनवरी 25 में ऑर्डर इशू हुआ था, और मैं उसमें NICF कैंपस में ही AAO 2025 बैच का आंसर शीट एवेल्यूशन के लिए गया हुआ था। तो मालूम पड़ा कि सर NICF कैंपस में ही रहते हैं, तो 2-3 सिनेरियो थे अपने ऑफिस के, वो चाह रहे थे कि सर से मिले। मैं थोड़ा हेजिटेट कर रहा था कि सर प्रमोशन तो ठीक है, लेकिन सर का ट्रांसफर दिल्ली से हैदराबाद हो रहा है, पता नहीं जाना चाहते हैं कि नहीं चाहते और किसी हैदराबाद वाले को देखेंगे तो और गुस्सा बढ़ जाएगा। तो मैं थोड़ा अवॉइड कर रहा था, लेकिन जैसा फिर सब लोग बोले नहीं चलते हैं, तो सर के पास गया इवनिंग में, तो सर कहीं निकलने वाले थे, तो सर के घर के सामने ही 2 मिनट के लिए मुलाकात हुआ। सर में ऐसा जादू है कि अगर आप 2 मिनट भी मुलाकात कर लेते तो आपको जरूर एक ऐसा फीलिंग ला देते हैं कि अपनापन सा, एक लगता है कि कोई फैमिली मेंबर ही इस तरह से बात करते हैं, हाल चाल लेते, तो सर की एक खासियत है। और सर जब इधर आए जब ट्रांसफर पे जून में, तो तब मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि सर जो है 2018 बैच जो AAO का एग्जाम हुआ था उसके मेन पर्सन थे, तो और मैं उसी बैच में AAO बना था। तो अभी जो भी यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं 2018 बैच का AAO, आपको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करते हैं सर। और समय आगे बढ़ा और इस तरह से मौका बना कि सर के आने के बाद ही मुझे यहाँ पे ग्रुप बी से ग्रुप ए ACC ऑफिस सेटिंग प्रमोशन भी सर के हाथों ही मिला। तो मैं और किरण गारू विशेष रूप से आपका तहे दिल से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ सर, और आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट भी आपका भविष्य बहुत ही अच्छा हो, हेल्दी रहे और काफी दिन रहे। थैंक यू सर।
I think most of it, what Papa's journey has been like, how he has been as a person, has already been spoken. So as we entered the body today, I saw that the post of vigilance awareness week was there. And I think as a family we have experienced that whatever work or posting Papa has been through has shaped him as a person. So when he was the CBO, I think he was very watchful, so everything around us he would be very skeptical and also very vigilant. We detected things that we couldn't and needed the fine points. Then I saw the principal CC office and the DOD side, and then I realized that the importance that you guys have played in his life. I think over the period of 33 years, this department has shaped who he is. So it'll be very interesting for him to see how he grows as a person now, because this has been his identity for so long. We all have seen as a family great officers shape his until because in uncle, they've always heard has been someone who has been the most well-read person. who has reported to office before time, never late. So I think that has somehow shaped Papa also. So he would instill these values ultimately percolated to us. So yes, the values from the department passed on to him, and that ultimately shaped who we are today. So very grateful to the service, to the department, and these people that he has met. Excited for the journey ahead and who he discovers himself.
Thank you for sharing your part.
Respected dignitaries on the stage and senior officers, officials of both DOT and DOP. Usually we heard the words like dynamic leadership, visionary leadership, inspirational leadership. But our sir's leadership will be termed as cheerful leader. जब भी साहब से मुलाकात होता है तो मुस्कुराहट से सबको अपना बना के वो बात करते हैं. वो ऑब्वियसली हमारे अंदर एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देते हैं. सो आई टर्न्ड
Beyond what has already been said, I can just say that Papa is the same at home too. He is very supportive, very loving, and very supportive, very loving, and he's always told us that it's always about how you work and how you interact with people around you, and that is the most important thing. There should be integrity and there should be hard work, which is why I'm still studying, by the way. And I'm working and I'm doing my MBA because it's all about hard work and education. This one has 3 degrees and yeah, we can finally stop studying now, I think. So it's all about hard work, it's all about integrity, and it's about treating everyone with respect, which is what he does at home too. So this is really heartwarming to see all of your stories, and thank you so much for all the kind words you said. This is a very special day for Papa, and we are very excited to spend more time with him. I have a feeling he gets super into sports now. He was only watching cricket. I have a feeling now he'll also start following football. So yes, I'm excited about this.
PK Sinha Sahab, Sir in my elder brother, guide and mentor. A very rare or important occasion for me, that crucial part of my career. I started with him, and on last day of my career, he kindly consented to be here on your invitation. Nothing can be more important than this. Sri Nagesh Rao ji, Additional DG Telecom, AP Circle, Miss Anita, CCA Telangana, which on dias, Harachand, CCA AP, Sampar, Nikhil, and officers of LSA, Anand ji, Bhaskar ji, Naveen, and Kunda Reddy ji, and all other officers who are present here. And how can I forget Pratima? So, my wife says that she has adopted her daughter. And all my assistant controller, SCCH, Shashikant, Kiran, Senior AOJ, Vasant, Revan, and all of you I can see here, all AOJ, SH, JH, LEC, and all our staff. So sorry to forget some of the names. So, but all of you have made my stay, my tenure truly memorable. Maybe the period is 5 months odd here, but I can say I feel always like that. I am working here for many years.
Celebration, a moment filled with emotion, respect and gratitude. It is with immense honor and deep reverence that we invite our esteemed Principal CCSR to the stage, a visionary leader, a mentor and a true guiding light who has inspired all of us with his dedication, integrity, wisdom throughout his remarkable career. We now invite sir with a big round of applause. Let us rise and greet him with a thunderous round of applause.
Fortune to have him. He is like a devata for all of us. All of us have been his beneficiaries of his kindness. Anybody, not only just at a higher level, even lower level. He was CCA here and he became member finance. But he's such a wonderful person. When I knew that he's here, I thought I should not miss this opportunity, and he graciously accepted, and madam also has come down. So I really feel that we are very blessed today to have two good people with us, and we are celebrating in a way their achievements. Thank you sir for coming, and thank you madam. Thank you.
Photographer. Yeah, yes, thank you.
All the officers of DOP, AP Circle CCA and all APLSA and all the officers, I request madam to please join along. Please for a photo session.
మీరు ఆఫీస్ సార్ నేను తీసుకుని వెళ్దాం
अरे बहुत बढ़िया आप लोग आए थैंक्स सो मच अरे come from our place. Thank you. Nice. Thank you.
I now request all the officers and officials of the DOT to please join for a group photograph with sir at the banner. I request all the officers and officials of the DOT Telangana Circle.
Thank you so much.
Photograph, I request all the officers and officials to join in the
Very good song. थैंक यू अरे बहुत बढ़िया गाया थैंक यू वेरी वेलकम टू दिल्ली है ना प्लीज कम है ना
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion where we have gathered here to observe Vigilance Awareness Week concluding ceremony as well as bidding farewell to our respected officer, Sri Ashok Kumar Sir, Principal Controller of Communication Accounts, Telangana on his superannuation. At the outset, we deeply honored by the gracious presence of Sri P.K. Sinha Sir, retired Member of Finance, Vigilance Communication Commission. Sir, we are truly grateful to you and Madam for sparing your valuable time to be with us today, sir, and for sharing inspiring words and guidance with us, sir. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to Sri Ashok Kumar Sir, Principal Controller of Communications, and Sri Nagesh Rao Sir, Additional Director General Telecom, Ms. Sanita Ma'am, Controller of Communication Accounts, and Sri S. Tarachand Sir, Controller of Communication Accounts, Andhra Pradesh, for their continued guidance and encouragement and for active participation. A special word of appreciation to the organization committee, Kalpana, Kiran, Naveen, Anand. To name few I am naming, so I want to place my heartfelt gratitude to all the committee who has concluded this Vigilance Awareness Week and conducted this booth conduction. Thank you so much.